Hi, I'm Chad Van. I'm Shipping and Receiving Manager here at Diesel RX Pure Flow AirDog. I'm a 14-year Army vet, and in 2009, as soon as I got off active duty orders in 2008, I found a job here at Diesel RX, Pure Flow AirDog. What a better company to work for than one that supplies glow plugs for our United States Armed Forces to start the diesel engine in our Humvees. We have a 50,000 square feet facility here where all of our employees have a hand in making these glow plugs. Each one of our employees takes pride in making these glow plugs. Each glow plug is tested 100% before it leaves our facility, before it ever gets packaged out. Check out our website below for our full range of Diesel RX products. Ensure your diesel engine starts with Diesel RX.